I just came from a small little trip outside to get some fresh air and also pick up some mail because I got 2 boxes in the mail this morning. So very hyped to unbox some heat for you guys right here. Also a small little mini haul since I went to Shoppers Drug Mart. You guys know that like pizza, like frozen pizza is like on sale for $3. That's like $2 American. I've always ordered Domino's and Pizza Hut and stuff. So seeing that like the frozen pizza is only about $2 American is damn. Living on my own here. The $2 US pizzas, they're really yummy actually. I know staying motivated can be a little hard during these times. I mean, the last few weeks I haven't really been posting too much YouTube videos, as you guys know. So if you guys want to check out a video you might have missed, I would really appreciate it. But one thing I've been doing lately, besides getting some fresh air, like walking around for 30 minutes to an hour a day, is getting a to-do list done every night before I go to bed. I've been reading books on like self-improvement and stuff like that and how to be more productive. Making like a to-do list the night before when you wake up is really useful because you wake up and you already have like clarity of what needs to get done throughout the day. So I'll show you guys a small little, like, I have a list right here. I have like very mundane small things like cooking eggs in the morning, to taking my vitamins, to reading 30 minutes in the morning, to answering DMs for an hour, stuff like that. Although they might not be the hardest of tasks, just having like a clear set defined list of things you got to get done and then filling out that list, it feels productive, and then those small little things will make you feel like you're getting, you know, stuff done during the day because yeah, it's a weird time we're still in. But yo, being up here alone without any dog, without any friends, it can get a little depressing and stuff like that. So for you guys who are DMing me and being active with me in the comments, I really appreciate it. If you guys want to hang out and talk sneakers and just talk life and stuff like that, we do have a Discord on the channel, so I'll leave a link down below. If you guys don't know what Discord is, it's super popular amongst like gamers, and also there's a lot of streetwear and sneaker groups and stuff on Discord too. So they're like forums basically. They're online forums in 2020. So if you guys want to join my Discord, I'll leave a link down below. So yeah, we'll get to the unboxing of sneakers in just a second, but let me cook up some eggs real quick. Beautiful omelet for breakfast today. I have a small little question though for you guys. I asked you guys this on Instagram, on my Instagram story. What do you guys prefer on your eggs? Do you prefer hot sauce? I have some Tabasco right here. Or do you prefer ketchup? And then there's a third option that I didn't even know that people use, but it's HP, like, you know, horsepower or whatever. The sauce you put on steak, HP sauce. People do that in Europe apparently. So hit that poll in the top right hand corner of the screen. What do you guys prefer on your eggs? Hot sauce, ketchup, or brown sauce, as it's called in England apparently. Sneaker unboxing time. We have two pairs to unbox today, so I'm very excited to show them to you guys. So first pair is actually going to be a personal pickup that I bought on Converse's website. They dropped these 2019, but I missed out. I hesitated on buying them, and eventually they sold out. But I checked Converse's website, and they actually had a few colorways of these sneakers available. Quickly unbox these. If you guys have seen my top 10 Converse sneaker video, you'll definitely recognize this pair. I'll probably do a review for these on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365. We have a lot of sneaker reviews over on there, so subscribe to my second channel if you haven't yet. Here is the black Converse box. Here we go. Let's pop open this lid. Bam, here we have it. Converse Chuck Taylor 1970 ERX 260. This is gonna be a essential beater sneaker for me. It really suits my style. You guys have probably seen how I dress myself on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. So these will fit right in with my streetwear kind of look that I always have. I like the different colors of canvas that they have on this shoe. Here's a look at the back with the license plate as well. The tongue is bulky, big beefy tongue from the ERX 260 right here. I originally wanted the black pair, but they didn't have them available on Converse's website. So I'll leave these linked down below to places like eBay and the Converse website if you guys want to check them out in other colorways. And I think I got these for like $15 or $10 off, so pretty solid pricing. And the other colorways, the black one, actually went on sale on Foot Locker's website. So if you wanted to hunt them down on eBay because they're sold out on Converse's website, I'll leave the eBay link down below. Next up, this package came in from the friends over at eBay. This is the first time that eBay's actually done anything with me. They hit me up and I was really surprised they did, especially with what they had to tell me. They were like, yo, quarantine sucks, but let's try, you know, spread some positivity. And with the new documentary that just came out on ESPN and Netflix, The Last Dance, featuring Michael Jordan and the Bulls team that he played with, this is sort of in honor of that. So if you guys haven't seen the documentary, I'll probably talk about it a bit more later in the video, but let's unbox this pair right here. I do know for a fact that in this mystery box is a pair of Air Jordans. They sent over a list of potential sneakers and they were like, yo, rank these sneakers in the order that you'd really like to get them in, like your favorite and then your least favorite kind of thing. So I did that, and I know that there's going to be some Heat Grail sneakers in here. They sent me some heat, so thank you eBay and Stadium Goods as well, because they now work together. And I've actually been selling a lot of sneakers on my eBay account as well. So eBay's been my go-to place to sell sneakers recently, and woo, we got a pair of Air Jordan 1s. All right, I'm excited. I have no idea what colorway it is. Thank you so much. They have a little note. It reads, hi, we wanted to share a quarantine surprise to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 1, which was brought to life by an iconic basketball legend, Michael Jordan, of course. Enjoy this gift inspired by the release of ESPN's The Last Dance docuseries. Enjoy. Signed, your friends at eBay. So thank you, my friends over at eBay. I really appreciate it. Size 10. I don't even want to look at the color code and anything. Let's unbox these together. And by the way, we are starting to cover a lot more sneaker news on the channel. So I actually just uploaded my top 10 spring Air Jordan releases, so check that video out after if you guys want to stay up to date on the best releases. Anyways, enough chit chat, enough trying to build the hype. Let's pop open this lid. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got the paper. We got the paper, and underneath of it is, oh, damn. Woo, 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 woo. Oh my, damn, yo, let's go. Wow. Thank you so much to the friends over at eBay. Thank you, eBay. I really appreciate this. Quarantine, as you guys know, is definitely taking its mental toll on a lot of us. Our spirits have been low. This is just the greatest way to start my day, man. Thank you so much, eBay. These are the LA to Chicago Air Jordan 1 Nike SB collaboration. These sold out last year, like instantly. I'll leave links to these sneakers from eBay in the description down below if you guys want to see what they are going for. And also, if you are selling on eBay, there is no seller fees for sneakers listed over $100. So if you're trying to, you know, if you're trying to make some extra money during the season right now, then definitely unload some sneakers on eBay. Wow. I was gonna wear these today, but now I want to wear these. You know what? I've actually been wearing pairs of Jordans every single time I've been watching an episode of The Last Dance docuseries. So actually, I'll unlace and unds these next Monday when the next two episodes, episodes 5 and 6, are on Netflix. And by the way, I actually have not even been talking about the details and the specifics about the sneaker, so we'll get to that in just a second. I will show you guys what these look like on feet. I probably won't unds in this video, but I'll put them on feet. White laces, purple laces, and red laces here too. These are fire. I can't wait to beat these up, man. You guys know I love breaking down my Air Jordan 1s and wearing them like crazy. And these sneakers, as you can see, have like this Lakers colorway right now with the purple and gold, or purple and yellow. But the really cool thing about the LA to Chicago is that the more you wear them, the more they reveal a new colorway underneath. So there's actually another layer of paint coated underneath this right here, which reveals the Chicago Air Jordan 1 colorway, which I actually have in the back. These bad boys right here, and the Chicago one is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. And I actually, in the episodes 3 and 4, you learn about Michael Jordan playing against the Lakers in the finals. So I think it's really cool that I just like learned about the history of Michael Jordan and the Bulls playing against the Lakers in the finals and beating Magic Johnson. So now I can sort of like appreciate these LA to Chicago's a bit more. This is great. Thank you so much to the friends over at eBay. So yeah, guys, if you haven't seen the Michael Jordan documentary, check it out on Netflix. I'll have the days that the new episodes come up on screen right now. They release 2 episodes weekly, and they come out at midnight. They're definitely motivational just watching. And it's also really cool to see like Michael Jordan actually play, because I was born in 1995. I never really got to see Michael Jordan play. So seeing all these historic moments captured on video and presented in such a well storylined way, it's really cool to just witness it. And I'm sure if you guys are older than me, I know a lot of you guys are older than me as well, it's cool to sort of relive those highlights of Michael Jordan's career. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the LA to Chicago, and also if you have a grail sneaker that you'll be hunting for during these times on eBay, let me know what grail sneaker you're hunting for in the comment section down below. I'll chop it up with you guys down there. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you again, eBay, for these beautiful, deliciously smelling Air Jordan 1s.